Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn all about WH questions in English, like who, what, where, when, why, and how to use them in everyday conversation. I'll show you simple examples so you can start asking questions confidently. Let's dive in. Who? Who is your teacher? Who called you? Who can help me? Who can open the door? Who knows the answer? Who told you that? Who is at the door? Who wants to join us? Who is your friend? Who made this cake? What? What is this? What do you want? What happened? What are you doing? What did you say? What did she say? What do you need? What time is it? What is your favorite color? What should we eat? Where? Where is the park? Where do you live? Where is my phone? Where did you go? Where can I find it? Where do we live? Where is the restaurant? Where is the bus stop? Where did she put the keys? Where are my shoes? When? When is your birthday? When does class start? When will we meet? When is the meeting? When do we leave? When should I call you? When is the next bus? When did you arrive? When are we going to the park? When will she come home? Why? Why are you late? Why did he leave? Why is the sky blue? Why is the meeting canceled? Why do we leave? Why is he sad? Why is this important? Why did she call me? Why are they laughing? Why should I help you? Which? Which book do you want? Which color do you like? Which way should we go? Which movie is the best? Which shirt should I wear? Which car is yours? Which team will win? Which one do you prefer? Which day is good for you? Which fruit do you want? How? How are you? How do you feel? How is the weather? How can I help you? How did you do that? How will we get there? How long is the movie? How often do you exercise? How much does it cost? How do you know him? Thanks for watching. Now you know how to use WH questions in English. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips to improve your English. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.